Hi, good morning. Michael Gaffney. Today I'm going to do a very simple, quick one. In this green milk container, milk jug-like container. Look at these monstera leaves. You'd think I'd throw those out. No, I'm going to use them. They're a hardy green, even though that one broke. I'm going to enter my monstera leaves. I love buds. Buds are my thing. I try to put buds in all my arrangements because they're going to open up in a few days and give your customer a nice surprise. So I'm filling this jug with white Casablanca lilies. This one couldn't be easier. I love a big juicy bud. These are going to open up to fist-size dollar white Casablanca lilies. But for those of you who think flower designing is difficult or you're having trouble, look, I'm almost done. This is what I would have on my kitchen counter when I'm serving breakfast. Just a nice big vase of Casablanca buds. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of greenery, and I can literally use that greenery to prop up that broken leaf over on this side. See that? How I did that? Spread a little bit of this calcenia all around the house. Give it a spin. Check it out. Check it out. And in minutes, you're going to have a great piece that to me says good morning. Buds. Buds are new. They're like little babies. These are going to open. This whole thing will be one solid mass of rock star, good looking white Casablanca lilies in about 2 days. They take about 2-3 days to open. So, how long does this take me? 2 minutes. There is my design of the day. Right there. Wait, I gotta push this just in here. Just a fistful of Casablanca lilies that again will open up into a giant orb of white. So come back in a few days and I'll have a design. But I think this is really pretty, really simple, very sweet. Run it over to your neighbor and say good morning. Michael Gaffney, Flower School 101. Design schools all over the country where I teach you how to do this. Get a career, quit your job you don't like. Come have fun and do flower designing. I used to work on Wall Street, New York. I ran into a flower shop by accident. I'm driving a truck for that shop, and I never left. And I learned my trade. Now I do it all over the country with schools all over 15 cities, Paris, London, and Rome. I'm on the Today Show Hallmark channel. I've been opening Macy's Flower Show for several years. So, come learn the secret. FlowerSchool101.com. Have a good day.